after over here. Wow, what a difference. Compared to this puny little freaking mirror. Can't see shit.
Alright, first we pull this cover off. Snaps right off. There's some wiring here. There's a little cap right here. Little wire holder there. Push in on this connector, pull it out. 4 10mm bolts. 2 in here. Mind holding that mirror out? Get somebody to hold on the other side so it doesn't fall. Gently remove it. Mirror, big bad boy mirror. The other side have this foam sticking out.
Yeah. It goes in when you screw it.
Yeah, you can stop the video now. Four bolts back in, your 4 nuts. Tighten them up evenly all the way around. The foam disappearing?
Yep.
Open the door more. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. You plug your plug back in. Wire retainer back on. And snap cover on.
That's it.
And that's it.
Wow.
Got a nice stone here. Close off the lenses. You're good.
Nice. A lot better.
And then your new mirrors, you fold in like that. Put it in a tight parking spot. Perfect for towing.